Hi everyone, so today I will be showing you how to apply these beautiful press-on nails from my website shopttalan.com. You can purchase affordable and luxury press-on nails from me, and I will be showing you how to apply them using only the nail application kit that comes with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Y'all, I just want to take a second to show you how big of a transformation this is about to be because my nails are crusty. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to put these nails on. So I'm starting off by taking the cuticle pusher and pushing my cuticles back. Now, I actually kind of skip this step a lot, so I might not really know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. I'm just pushing my cuticles back and, going with the flow. Yeah, try not to be too rough, try not to break any skin. Now, this is a step that you do not want to skip. You really want to make sure you buff out your nails pretty good. This step really makes your nails stay on a lot longer without breaking off. And what it does is basically just by buffing out your nails, you're creating I guess some sort of barrier or friction in a way that the glue can seep into your nails and stick to the press on nails, so it stays on there a lot longer. Trust me, do not skip this step. Now I'm just taking an alcohol wipe, and you really want to make sure you wipe your nails very well. You want to get the extra dust and stuff like that off your nails, just so that when you put the glue on, it's not sticking to the dust, it's sticking to your nails. And now we have the press-on nails. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. How can something so simple be so freaking cute? I love this. This is so classic, so perfect for every single day. This is a basic but go-to look. Now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the glue and I'm going to apply it to my nail. I try to aim for the center of my nail, and everybody's center is going to be different because everybody's nail beds are different. So I apply the glue to my natural nail, and I apply just a little bit to the press-on nail, and I hold it in place. Keep in mind that this is really strong glue. Once you put it on your nail and it dries, oh baby, it is stuck there. Okay, as you can see, I kind of messed up on this nail. It's very crooked and I hate it. But it's on there, and I tried to take it off immediately after and it's not gonna come off. So just keep in mind that once it's on there, it's on there. And the more glue you use, the longer it will stay. So if you use a lot of glue, it's going to stay there for days at a time. So keep that in mind. Yeah, so I'm just going to be doing the same thing to the rest of my nails, and you will see that. And just another quick tip, like I don't know if it's just like me and my horrible eyesight, but when your hand is like facing you like how it is now, it's going to be like different than when it's like flat out facing away from you. So it's gonna look two different types of straight, if you know what I mean. Like when my hand is kind of like balled up a little bit, I guess it looks straight, and then when I put my hand flat out, it doesn't look straight. So be careful with that, I guess. All right, and my left hand is finished. I'm actually right hand dominant, so I'm going to be doing my right hand off camera just because I think it'll be a lot easier for me to do it. So now we have both hands done, and oh my god, I love it. It's so pretty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it pop now. So you want to go and grab your favorite cuticle oil, and this is a mixture of stuff that I kind of created, so I don't know, be on the lookout. I might be selling cuticle oils next. But I like to add cuticle oil, and I like to add some lotion to my hands also, just so my hands look really moisturized and pretty. Like, come on, just look at that. This is so nail salon, but at home though. Look at it. Oh my, this is a perfect shot. Oof, so pretty. Quick side note, I like to just wipe my glue off and save it because it's a lot of glue in this bottle left. So you want to be able to use it again just in case a nail does come off. And just as a final touch, I just grabbed some of my favorite rings that I've had like from different little places, little cheap rings that I grabbed, just so you know my nails can be even cuter. The rings help your nails pop even more, so now you have the perfect salon set. Like, look at that. That is, it's just so pretty, so classic, so perfect. How could you go wrong with that? How? So you see how great my nails turned out? Yeah, you might want to go ahead and grab you a pair from www.shopttalon.com. I'm actually going to put a code on the screen for you guys just for my YouTube babies. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me. Thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye.